Imagine unlocking your phone, logging into your bank account, or even starting your car, just by thinking. No passwords, no fingerprints, no facial scan, only your unique brainwaves. Scientists believe this could soon become the future, a world where your mind becomes the ultimate key. Passwords have failed us for years. They're easy to forget, easy to hack, and often reused everywhere. Even biometrics like fingerprints and face scans can be copied or bypassed. But your brainwaves, those are different. They are impossible to steal, impossible to guess, and impossible to replicate. Every thought you have produces a complex electrical pattern that belongs only to you. This is what researchers call neural signatures. And they may soon replace every login method we use today. When your brain reacts to a sound, a word, or even a picture, it generates a unique pattern. And here's the interesting part. Your brainwave response is consistent every time. It works like a natural PIN code, but one that cannot be duplicated by anyone else. Scientists are developing lightweight headbands and neural sensors that capture these waves instantly. You won't need big helmets or bulky devices. A simple wearable will read your brain's reaction in less than a second and verify your identity. Imagine sitting at your laptop. Instead of typing a password, an image flashes on the screen for half a second. Your brain reacts automatically. You won't even notice it. That reaction unlocks your device. Or imagine an ATM that analyzes your brainwaves the moment you walk up. No card, no PIN, no touch. Just presence and thought. But the real breakthrough is coming from AI. Neural networks can now analyze thousands of tiny patterns inside your brainwaves, patterns impossible for humans to detect. AI is learning to recognize your mental rhythm just like it recognizes your face, your voice, or your fingerprint. But with even greater, this technology could change everything about digital security. No more stolen passwords. No more phishing scams. No more identity theft. Your brain becomes both the lock and the key. And because your brain cannot be copied or cloned, hacking becomes nearly impossible. Of course, this future raises big questions. Who controls your brain data? How will privacy be protected? Will companies be allowed to store neural information? Scientists are already working on systems where your brainwave data never leaves your device, keeping everything encrypted locally. The goal is to protect your identity without reading your private thoughts. Authentication is about the shape of your brain signal, not what you are thinking. The shift from passwords to brainwaves may begin sooner than people expect. Tech companies are already testing early prototypes. Imagine earbuds, AR glasses, smartwatches, or even headphones that quietly read your neural patterns in the background. A completely seamless experience. No effort, no typing, no remembering. You simply think, and the digital world recognizes you instantly. In the future, brainwave authentication could become essential for everything. Opening your home door, accessing your bank accounts, proving identity during travel, securing medical data, and protecting your digital life. The mind itself becomes the passport of the future. The age of passwords is